Copilot agents are great for many tasks, but the standard zero prompt, that welcome screen with suggested questions, can feel underwhelming. Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the zero prompt. Start by going to your model-driven app. Right now, you need to add preview in your URL to see the next thing, and that is the 3 buttons where you can click Configure in Copilot Studio. Next, let's go to Topics, click Add a Topic, and from blank. This is going to give us a blank topic, and all we need to do is change this topic to be event-driven. We'll do this by clicking here and clicking on Event Received. Now we need to give it a priority. This must be above 100 to override the default prompt, and we need the event name here, which is request zero prompt, which is an internal name Microsoft uses to identify this is a zero prompt. Next, we need to add some JSON and text on the messages that we want to show to the user. But instead of doing that, we can simply copy a sample topic here from the Microsoft website. I'm going to put the link in the description. Open up the code editor and paste everything in. Now all we need to do is change the condition, because we don't want it to run on accounts, we want it to run on all tables. Let's save this as a new prompt. Now we got a couple of variables here. We got the welcome message and footer message. So let's go ahead and change the welcome message. Let's change the footer message as well. And then we also want to update the variables for option 1, 2, and 3. Let's update the prompt for option 1. And option 2 and 3 as well. Let's save it and publish it. And now we are ready to test it out. So let's start a new conversation. And there it is. Our new welcome prompt. We can go ahead and test it out. We can try to create a new project here. That's it. You now customize your Copilot Zero prompt to better serve your users. Thank you for watching.